Hello everyone, welcome back to Allison's ESL Kitchen. I have something important to share with you today. Disagreeing. So, in general, there are two very simple ways to disagree. You can say no, or you could say I disagree. In our culture, it is acceptable to use those in certain situations. However, it is very important in professional or business English to have other tools or other ways to express your disagreement. Today, I would like to share with you one very important idea when you disagree. To recognize that the other person has said something that you value or respect. You should use phrases such as, I see, or I understand, or good point. This shows that you respect the other person, and this is very important in business English. We know in most languages it is so easy to agree, simply saying yes or I agree. But sometimes you must disagree, and in English I want to help you have some tools ready or some language ready so that you can properly disagree. This is a multi-part episode, meaning I will have different videos. Please follow along, and you can subscribe or like below, and I will share more videos soon with how to disagree in English. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.